When using AI tools like ChatGPT or other virtual assistants, the way you ask questions or give instructions can make a big difference in the quality of the response. Crafting effective prompts is the key to getting clear, useful answers from AI. In this video, we'll go over some simple tips to help you create prompts that get the best possible responses. Be clear and specific. The more specific you are, the better the AI can understand and meet your request. Instead of asking, "What can I cook for dinner?" try, "What easy pasta recipes can I make with tomatoes and cheese?" Specific prompts provide context, allowing the AI to give you more relevant and tailored responses. Provide context when needed. If your question is complex or has multiple parts, adding context helps the AI understand exactly what you're asking. Instead of asking, "What's a good summary?" say, "Could you summarize this article for a beginner audience interested in technology?" This gives the AI a clear sense of what you're looking for. Ask follow-up questions and give directives to refine responses. AI responses improve with feedback, and you can guide the AI by providing follow-up questions or giving specific directives. If the initial answer isn't quite what you're looking for, clarify by asking a follow-up question or using a directive. For example, if you ask for vacation ideas and receive suggestions for warm destinations, but prefer cooler climates, instead of asking another question, you could say, "List vacation ideas in cooler locations." This direct instruction helps the AI refine its response to better match your preferences. Use keywords for key details. Highlight key details or use keywords to emphasize what's most important. For example, if you're asking about healthy, quick, and kid-friendly lunch ideas, these keywords tell the AI exactly what you prioritize, making the response more relevant to your needs. Getting the best responses from AI isn't just about asking questions. It's about knowing how to ask the right questions. By using clear, specific prompts and refining your questions as needed, you can unlock more helpful and targeted answers. If this video helped you improve your AI prompting skills, please hit the like and follow button for more practical tips on using AI. Thanks for watching.